Welcome back, friends. In today's video, I'm excited to bring you a major update related to the Pi network, something that's going to make things much easier and more efficient for you. Most of us recharge our mobile phones every month, whether we're using a SIM from Jio, Airtel, Six, BSNL, MTNL, or any other service provider. This is something we all do out of necessity, and until now, we've relied on payment platforms like Google Pay, PhonePe, or even visiting physical shops to get it done. But all that is about to change. Traditionally, to recharge our phones, we had to scratch recharge cards and enter codes manually. Later, Easy Recharge became available, where we simply paid a retailer who then recharged our number digitally. And then came the digital payment revolution. Apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, and others made it easy to recharge using our bank accounts right from our phones. But now, Pi Network has stepped in with an innovative and useful update that takes things to a whole new level. They've introduced a way for you to recharge your mobile directly from your Pi browser, without needing to spend your fiat money or leave your home. This update is a game-changer for Pi Network users, especially those actively involved in the ecosystem as pioneers. Now, I want you to pay close attention to how you can use this new feature. First, you'll need to open the Pi browser application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, scroll down and look for the section called Pi Apps. It might take a moment to load, so please be patient. Once it's loaded, select Mainnet Apps, and from there, look for the Utilities section. Within that section, click on the app titled App Link for Pi. After that, tap on Open App, and scroll slightly to the right. You'll see an app called Booster. This is the application that has now been integrated into the Pi ecosystem to allow mobile recharges. Through this Booster app, you can recharge your phone directly from your Pi wallet, using Pi coins. Once you click on the Booster app, you'll see a new interface. Tap on Tap to Visit, and the screen will show you a list of mobile service providers. These include popular names like MTNL, Airtel, BSNL, and more. If your specific provider isn't listed initially, you can click on Vivo All Mobile Reload to view the full list of supported companies. Now, depending on where you live, make sure your country is selected properly. For most of you, it might default to India, but if you're in a different country, be sure to update it accordingly. After selecting your service provider and country, proceed by clicking Next. This is where you need to be extra careful. You'll see 3 categories to choose from: airtime, data, and bundle. It's important to understand the difference here. If you choose airtime, the recharge amount will be credited to your main mobile balance. That means you can use it for calls, texts, or whatever else your provider allows from your main balance. If you select data, the recharge will only provide internet access. It won't add to your main balance or extend the validity of your plan. On the other hand, if you need a plan that includes data, talk time, and extended validity, then the bundle option is what you should go with. This is usually the most comprehensive plan and works for most people. Once you've decided on the type of plan you want, you'll be shown a list of available options. Pick the one that best suits your needs and tap on Select Product. After that, click Next, and you'll be prompted to enter your mobile number. Make sure to type your number correctly to avoid any issues. Then, tap Next once again. On the next screen, you'll see a button labeled Confirm to Pay. When you tap this, you'll see an option that says, Pay with Pi. For example, if you choose a recharge plan that normally costs 219 Indian rupees, it will only cost you around 6.92 Pi. This amount will be deducted directly from your Pi wallet. The cost in Pi may vary depending on the plan you select, so always double-check before proceeding. As soon as you confirm the payment, your recharge will be processed almost instantly, and you'll receive a message confirming the successful recharge on your phone. The appropriate amount of Pi will be deducted from your wallet based on the plan you chose. And just like that, you've recharged your phone without spending any real currency, using only the Pi cryptocurrency you've earned through mining or participation in the Pi ecosystem. This new method allows you to recharge your mobile from the comfort of your home, using the Pi you've collected, and you don't have to rely on traditional payment methods anymore. It's a huge step forward for the Pi network and its users, and it proves that Pi isn't just a concept anymore, it's becoming a practical tool with real-world applications. I encourage you to explore this feature and try it for yourself. It's fast, easy, and incredibly convenient. Plus, it's another reason to stay engaged with the Pi network as it continues to grow and expand its utility. So that's all for today's update. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who are part of the Pi community or are interested in learning more. If this is your first time visiting the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more exciting news and tips related to Pi network. Until then, take care and have fun.